On December 26, 2004, the Indian Ocean was calm. But deep beneath, the Earth was moving. A massive 9.1 magnitude earthquake struck underwater, triggering one of the deadliest tsunamis in history. Waves over 30 meters high crashed onto coastlines, sweeping away towns and villages in seconds. More than 230,000 people lost their lives across 14 countries, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters ever recorded. The 2004 tsunami reminds us of the incredible power of nature and the resilience of humanity.